Okay guys, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. I've been sitting here for the past few hours watching the market, watching the news, trying to make sense of what's going on, and I can tell you it is crazy. Without a doubt, what Roger Ver has been doing for the past few days, thanks to him and his friends, is having a big effect on the cryptocurrency market. And yes, Ripple is standing out today, so well done to everybody that has invested into Ripple and has been holding for the past few months or a year. But the rest of the market, it is suffering. And I was watching early on the interview that Roger Ver did with CNBC on the day that Coinbase announced that they are launching Bitcoin Cash. And on this interview, I was shocked to hear what Roger Ver was actually advising people to do. And this interview will be seen by a lot more people than this video, and in fact it's going to be seen by probably millions of people around the world. And the guy was actually advising people to move their Bitcoin across to an exchange. And we know, first thing first is you never hold cryptocurrency on an exchange unless you're going to be trading or you're going to be selling it. If you're going to be holding a long term, the best solution is to hold it in a wallet that you control the private key. But the guy was advising people, and we all know that us people that been involved with cryptocurrency for quite some time, we're not going to listen. But new investors that are about to come in or probably bought into cryptocurrency in the past few months, they're gonna get scared because yes, they saw the highs, but now they're suddenly seeing this big fall and they're panicking, listening to this, as they tend to call him the Bitcoin Jesus that owns bitcoin.com. So newbies, they will tend to follow his advice, and his advice is move across your Bitcoins, because as you can see, Bitcoin is going to lose. At the end of the day, your Bitcoin is going to be worth nothing. And if you don't hold it on an exchange, if you try to then, as you see it going down, you try to move it across to an exchange, the door may be closed. Too many people may try to obviously send, and we're going to see what's happening with you're going to send it, you're going to wait for hours, maybe days. So obviously he is installing fear. One thing, he's installing fear. Two, he is giving the wrong advice, and in fact he knows that very good. So I don't know if he's giving the wrong advice or he's purposely giving this advice so people fall for it. Because let me tell you one thing, when you have the cryptocurrency, whatever cryptocurrency, but in this case we're talking about Bitcoin, in your let's say hardware wallet, it is less likely when you see the price going down for you to panic and move it across and sell it. But when you hold it on an actual exchange, we all know you're sitting in front of a computer, you're watching the news, you're searching the market, you're seeing the price going down, and you tend to panic because emotions get involved, and you all of a sudden do the stupidest thing ever, and you just press sell, and you sell all your Bitcoin. You don't care how much you've lost so far, you just want to get out because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't obviously want to lose all your money. And if you're new into cryptocurrency, you invested hard-earned money that you got from somewhere else, and you just don't want to lose it. And that's why I guess Roger Ver is advising people to do that, because he very well knows that if newbies especially are holding onto an exchange, as they're seeing the price going down and down and down, they're going to sell. Now one thing, you obviously, if you do sell now, it is likely that if you bought already, it is likely you're going to lose quite a bit of money because the price has fallen down. It is a fact. I've been watching it, as you can see on Polonix, is down to $14,600 US, which is crazy. You can see this sell orders, barely a buy order in here, but mostly sell orders. So it's likely you're gonna lose quite a bit of money. Two, Segwit2x is coming 28th of December. Obviously it's not 100% guarantee. We do remember what happened last time, but if it does come, everyone that holds a Bitcoin will get one-on-one ratio with B2X. And if you do hold it on an exchange, or if you may not get it, or if you sell it, you're obviously not going to get it. And this is again maybe another thing that Roger Ver doesn't want people to get, the B2X. They want people to panic, to either sell or either to obviously have it on an exchange, so they may miss out on the B2X. My advice will be, guys, forget about all the FUD. Just keep holding link, everything's gonna be all right. And I'm just going to show you two articles from today, which hopefully will install some you know, positivity in you, and you're not gonna sell out of FUD and out of panic and out of because Roger Ver, the Bitcoin Jesus, said so. So New York is the New York Stock Exchange is looking to dive into the Bitcoin with 2 new ETFs, which is fantastic. Bitcoin Futures. I'm gonna put a link in the description so I don't read the article for you and make the video too long, but it's an exciting news. This is the first time that the New York Exchange is coming in. It may have some negative effect, but it may have a very positive effect. Hopefully it will be a positive effect as new money are coming in. And the other thing is, someone has bet that Bitcoin will hit $50,000 US by December 2018. $1 million bet placed on cryptocurrencies, surging to huge records. And hopefully the person that has placed this bet will end up being right, and Bitcoin will be worth at least 50K by the end of December 2018, so everyone can enjoy the profits. And as I said, hopefully those articles, which I'll put a link to this one as well, will install again a little bit more positivity in you, and you don't do the most stupid thing ever. Now, I'm not predicting what will happen with Bitcoin, because we can all see it. It's so speculative. It's going up like and down like nothing before. Definitely, as you can see now, we're getting some buy orders, which is nice, but it's crazy. There's too many sharks that are trying, as we call them, whales, trying to also manipulate for the past few weeks, especially the Bitcoin Cash. They keep talking about how much they enjoy cryptocurrency, and you know, they're doing the right thing and all this, but I don't think by creating what they've created in the past few days and weeks, and the way they pre-planned this Coinbase thing and all the news coming in at the same time, and the interview of Roger Ver that I've just talked to you about, we can clearly see the effect. It's not positive when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's actually negative in general. Even Bitcoin Cash has fallen down quite a lot, and yeah, let's see where it takes us. But the main thing is just HODL. This is the key to success when it comes to cryptocurrency. You HODL through bad and good times, and you wait until it hits you know, the time you want it to be for you. I mean, everyone has a different goal. If your goal is, for instance, Bitcoin to reach, as you see now, 50K, hold until 50K, sell and move on. If it's 30K, hold, it will eventually get there. At least that's what I believe. Thank you so much for watching, and let's spread the good news surrounding Bitcoin. Let's spread the fact that this is just a short live. We have seen this in the past, where Bitcoin rises, it goes down. I even said it is due for correction. Maybe this is the correction we were due for. It just fell you know, at the same time as Roger Ver coming out and Bitcoin Cash, but I'm sure eventually we will succeed. And don't miss out, there's a link, I'll put a link to the video in regards to the Segwit2x. It's coming. Hopefully it will be successful. So if you do own Bitcoins, you get your free B2X, and you can do whatever you want with them, but you may have to hold your Bitcoin on an actual wallet that you control the key, and not, as Roger Ver says, send them to an exchange. You will do stupid things if it sits there, especially if you're a newbie. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.